Building a web application with Django, a beginner's guide. Hey everyone. Welcome to the Code Wizard. We're excited to share our latest tutorial on building a web application with Django, a beginner's guide. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Let's dive into today's topic and unlock the magic of programming together. Web applications are software programs that are accessible through the internet and are used to perform a variety of tasks, ranging from simple content management to complex business operations. Python, one of the most popular programming languages, offers several frameworks that make it easy to develop and deploy web applications. Two of the most commonly used Python frameworks for web development are Django and Flask. Django is a high-level framework that provides a lot of built-in functionality, making it ideal for complex projects with many components. It has a strong emphasis on security and is often used to build robust and scalable applications for large organizations. Django provides a lot of tools for managing a database, including an Object-Relational Mapping, ORM, system that simplifies the process of working with data. Django also has a powerful templating system that makes it easy to create HTML templates and incorporate dynamic elements into your pages. Flask, on the other hand, is a lightweight framework that provides a minimalistic approach to web development. It is ideal for small to medium-sized projects, as well as for learning the basics of web development. Flask is highly modular and flexible, which makes it easy to extend and customize. It also has a simple and intuitive design that makes it ideal for developers who want to get started with web development quickly. To create a web application using these frameworks, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to set up a development environment, which typically involves installing a local development environment, such as Anaconda or Miniconda, and creating a virtual environment. Next, you will choose a framework and install it using pip. After that, you will create a new project and design your data model using the framework's ORM system. Then, you will create views and URLs to handle requests to your application and map them to specific pages. Finally, you will write templates using the framework's templating system, test your application using the built-in development server, and deploy it to a production environment. In conclusion, Django and Flask are two of the most popular Python frameworks for web development, each offering its own unique set of features and benefits. Whether you are building a large and complex application or a simple web page, these frameworks make it easy to get started and create a robust and scalable web application. Example. Here are a few examples of web applications that can be built using Django and Flask. 1. E-commerce platforms. An e-commerce platform allows customers to purchase goods and services online. Django is a popular choice for building e-commerce platforms because of its built-in functionality for managing products, categories, and orders, as well as its ability to handle large amounts of traffic and transactions. 2. Content Management Systems, CMS. A CMS is a web application that allows users to manage and publish content on a website. Flask is a good choice for building a simple CMS because of its lightweight and flexible design, which makes it easy to extend and customize. 3. Social networks. Social networks allow users to connect with each other, share information, and interact in various ways. Django is a popular choice for building social networks because of its ability to handle large amounts of data and its built-in support for user authentication and authorization. 4. Blogs. A blog is a type of website that allows users to publish articles and other content on a regular basis. Flask is a good choice for building a simple blog because of its simple and intuitive design, which makes it easy to get started and add new features as needed. 5. Project management tools. Project management tools help teams to organize and track the progress of projects. Django is a popular choice for building project management tools because of its built-in support for managing tasks, deadlines, and team members, as well as its ability to handle large amounts of data. These are just a few examples of the many types of web applications that can be built using Django and Flask. The specific features and requirements of each project will determine which framework is the best choice. Practical application. Here are a few practical examples of web applications built using Django and Flask. 1. Django. Eventbrite, a popular event ticketing and management platform, uses Django to handle the complex task of managing events, tickets, and attendees. 2. Flask. Reddit, one of the largest and most popular social media platforms, started as a Flask application and has since evolved into a much larger platform. Flask was a good choice for Reddit because of its simple and lightweight design, which allowed the developers to quickly prototype the application and add new features as needed. 3. Django. Instagram, a popular photo and video sharing platform, uses Django as the backend for its web application. Django's built-in support for handling large amounts of data and its ability to scale to handle millions of users made it an ideal choice for Instagram. 4. Flask. Twilio, a cloud communications platform, uses Flask to build its API and manage its customers' interactions with the platform. Flask's modular design and flexibility allowed Twilio to quickly develop and deploy its API, as well as make changes and additions as needed. 5. Django. Pinterest, a popular image-sharing platform, uses Django to handle the complex task of managing millions of images and users. Django's built-in support for managing large amounts of data and its ability to scale to handle high traffic volumes made it an ideal choice for Pinterest. These are just a few examples of the many practical applications that can be built using Django and Flask. The specific requirements of each project will determine which framework is the best choice, but both frameworks are highly capable and widely used in the web development industry. Summary. To create a web application using Python frameworks like Django and Flask, you can follow these general steps. 1. Set up a development environment. Install a local development environment, such as Anaconda or Miniconda, which includes the latest version of Python, pip, and virtual environments. 2. Choose a framework. Decide which framework you would like to use for your project, either Django or Flask. 3. Install the framework. Use pip to install the framework of your choice by running pip install Django for Django or pip install Flask for Flask. 4. Create a project. Create a new project directory and use the framework's command line tools to create a new project. For example, in Django, you would run Django admin start project name. 5. Design your model. Decide on the data you want to store and create a database model using the framework's Object-Relational Mapping (ORM) system. 6. Create views and URLs. Define views that handle requests to your application and map them to URLs. 7. Write templates. Create HTML templates to display your data and incorporate dynamic elements using the framework's template language. 8. Test your application. Use the framework's built-in development server to test your application. 9. Deploy your application. Once you have tested your application and are satisfied with it, you can deploy it to a production environment. Note: the steps outlined above are just a general guide, and the specific process for creating a web application will vary depending on the framework you choose and the requirements of your project. Thanks for watching our tutorial on building a web application with Django, a beginner's guide. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are also interested in building a web application with Django, a beginner's guide. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips and tricks on Python programming and scientific solutions. Thanks for being a part of the Code Wizard community, and we'll see you in our next video.